good morning. Can you all hear me and hear my voice properly and clearly, everybody? Yes? Please just tell me yes or no on the chat box, everybody. Come on. Yes? So today we have the rank booster episode number 2. Okay, today we have the rank booster episode number 2. 30 most important expected question, and let's get started with this session. Those who are watching the session right now, don't forget to hit the like button, to share it with your friends, and subscribe the amazing platform for more updates on biology. So rank booster series every day sharp at 7 a.m. We have the rank booster series. Okay, I hope you all can hear me. Yes, give me hearts on the screen, everybody. If you all can hear me. If you all can hear me, give me hearts on the screen. Yes, so let's get started. So 24.4% of the students are watching the channel without subscription. So don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's session. And before that, reminding you about today's schedule, 7 a.m. right now, rank booster for NEET 2021. 10 a.m. we would be starting the next chapter for NEET 2023 batch, cell cycle and cell division, about the introduction. 2 p.m. you will have the last lecture of plant kingdom, that is angiosperms, and 7:15 p.m. you will have the plant kingdom NCERT highlight. Yes, let's get started with today's session. First question on your screen. The UN Conference of Parties on climate change in the year 2012 was held at. The UN Conference of Parties on Climate Change in the year 2012 was held at. Yes? Yes, the correct answer for the question is option number 3, Doha. Okay? Yes, everybody, the correct answer is option number 3, Doha. Question number 2. Yesterday also we had the same question. Which of the following immunoglobulins does not constitute the largest percentage in human milk? Sorry, does constitute the largest. IgG, IgD, IgM and IgA. Which is the correct answer? The correct immunoglobulin which constitutes the largest amount in human milk. Yes, the correct answer is option number 4, IgA. Question number 3. In photosynthesis, the light independent reaction, which is a light independent reaction? Dark reaction. The question indirectly refers to this. Dark reaction occurs in. Where is the dark reaction occurring in? Where is the dark reaction occurring in? Yes? Very good. The dark reaction occurs in the stromal matrix or the stromal region. Okay, and light region occurs inside the thylakoids. Is it clear? Hope it's clear. Is it clear for everybody? Can you hear me properly? What happened to Ananya? She hasn't commented the answers. What happened? Yes. So the light independent reaction, which is the dark reaction, takes place in the stromal matrix. Question number 4, an easy question. Pick up the wrong statement from the following. Pick up the wrong statement from the following. Easy question, right? Hope now it's clear. Pick up the wrong statement. Nuclear membrane is present in Monera. Cell wall is absent in Animalia. Protists have photosynthetic and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Some fungi are edible. Which is the correct answer for the question? Yes, there is no doubt for that. Monerans are prokaryotes, right? Monera are prokaryotic organism. So what is prokaryote? Nuclear membrane is absent. So in this statement, it is given as nuclear membrane is present. So that is the wrong statement. Done. Please give me thumbs up on the chat box if it's clear. Give me thumbs up on the chat box if it's clear. Everybody, just hit the chat box with the thumbs up. Everybody, come on. Yes. Okay, so let's move on to question number 5. Question number 5, an easy question from biotechnology and its application. The introduction of tDNA into the plants involves allowing the plant roots to stand in water, infection of the plant by the agrobacterium tumefaciens, altering the pH of the soil, then heat shocking the plants. Option number 4, exposing the plant to cold for a brief period. Yes, very good. The correct answer is infection of the plant by the agrobacterium tumefaciens, which is the correct answer for the question. Okay, question number 5 on your screen. Anatomy of flowering plants and transport. Okay, transport in plants mainly. A column of water within the xylem vessels of tall trees does not break under its weight because of. Why does it not break the xylem vessels? Why is it not breaking? Due to what? Positive root pressure, dissolved sugars in water, tensile strength of water, lignification of the xylem vessel. All these are previous year question. All these are previous year question. Each of the question is a previous year question. Very good. The correct answer is option number 3. Tensile strength of water. The xylem vessels are not breaking because of its weight. Due to what? Tensile strength of water. Clear? Clear? Moving on to question number 7. Industrial melanism is an example of. Industrial melanism is an example of. Industrial melanism is an example of. Just comment down the answers fast. Very easy question. Very easy question. Question number 7. Yes, absolutely. The correct answer is option number 3, natural selection. Industrial melanism is an example of natural selection. Question number 8. Easy question. Which of the following are the most suitable indicator of sulfur dioxide pollution in the environment? Fungi, lichen, conifers, and algae. Which is the correct answer? Yes. Very good. The correct answer is lichens are the indicators, reliable indicators of sulfur dioxide pollution. Question number 9. Name the pulmonary disease. Name the pulmonary disease in which the alveolar surface area is drastically reduced. Drastically reduced due to the damage in the alveolar walls. Asthma, pleurisy, emphysema, pneumonia. Yes, very good. The correct answer is option number 3, emphysema. In the chapter breathing and exchange of gases, we have specifically mentioned what is this emphysema. It is the due to cigarette smoking, emphysema is mainly caused. The walls of the alveolar walls is drastically reduced. Okay, the surface area is reduced. Very good. Question number 10. We have 20 more questions remaining during ecological succession. During ecological succession, what happened? The changes leads to a community that is in near equilibrium with the environment and is called the pioneer species. The gradual and predictable changes in the species composition occurs in the given area. The establishment of a new biotic community is very fast in its primary phase. The number and types of animal remains constant. Yes. Have everybody commented down their answers? Fast. What happened? Today's lecture, nobody is active. During ecological succession, there is a gradual and predictable changes in the species composition of a given area. So option number 2 is the correct answer. Okay. Ecological succession, you will have a gradual change in the species composition of a particular area. Question number 11. Doctors use stethoscope to hear the sound produced during each cardiac cycle. The second sound heard when? When can you hear the second heart sound produced? Okay. AV nodes receive signal from the SA node. AV valves open up, ventricular valves vibrate due to gushing of blood from the atria. Semilunar valves closes down after the blood flow into the vessels. The second heart sound heard is dub. Right? The second heart sound heard is dub. It is produced when the semilunar valve closes down after the blood flows into the vessels from the ventricles. So the correct answer is option number D is the correct answer for the question number 11. Give me thumbs up on the chat box and let's move forward. Give me thumbs up on the chat box and let's move forward. Come on, everybody have to give me thumbs up. Yes. Question number 12. Which one of the following is not applicable to RNA? Chargaff's rule, complementary base pairing, 5-phosphoryl and 3-hydroxylens, heterocyclic nitrogenous bases. Which of the following is not applicable? Which of the following is not applicable? Very good. The correct answer is Chargaff's rule. Chargaff's rule is applicable only to double-stranded DNA. Even it is not applicable to single-stranded DNA also. It is not applicable to single-stranded DNA or single-stranded RNA or whatever type of RNA. It is not applicable to RNA. Okay. So Chargaff's rule is only applicable to the double-stranded DNA molecules. Question number 13. Very easy question from locomotion and movement. Which of the following joints would allow no movement? Ball and socket joint, fibrous joint, cartilaginous joint, and synovial joint. Which of the following doesn't allow any movement? Very good. The correct answer is option number 2, fibrous joint. Fibrous joint will never allow the movement. Okay, fibrous joint won't allow the movement. Question number 14. Which one of the following hormones, though synthesized elsewhere, is stored and secreted by the master gland? So the question is, the hormone, you have to name the hormone which is synthesized at some other place, but it is stored and secreted by the master gland. It is secreted by the master gland. Yes, absolutely no wastage of time. The correct answer is anti-diuretic hormone. Guys, just frankly tell me whether you have understood up to question number 14 or not. Whether you have understood up to question number 14 or not. For everybody have to tell me. Then we'll move back with the question number 15 right now. Easy questions, right? Previous year, although previous year question, very easy questions only. Question number 15. Identify the correct order of organization of the genetic material from largest to the smallest. Is it chromosome, genome, nucleotide, gene, chromosome, gene, genome, nucleotide, genome, chromosome, nucleotide, gene, and option 4, genome, chromosome, gene, and nucleotide? Tell me the answer. Yes, very good. The correct answer of question number 15 is option number 4, genome, chromosome, genes, and finally you will get a nucleotide. Question number 16. Morphology of flowering plants. Roots play insignificant role in the absorption of water in. We know that roots play insignificant role in the absorption of water in aquatic plants. Right? Aquatic plants. So indirectly the question refers to which of the following. They are asking you simply which of the following is an aquatic plant. Instead of such a kind of a question, they are asking you which of the following roots play an insignificant role in the absorption. Yes, the correct answer is option number 3, pistia. So pistia is an aquatic plant. So the roots of the pistia doesn't play an important role in the absorption of water. Clear? Question number 17. Increase in the concentration of the toxicant at successive trophic level is known as biogeochemical cycling, biomagnification, biodeterioration, biotransformation. Increase in the concentration at successive trophic level. Yes, we know that the correct answer for the question is what? We know the correct answer for the question is option number 2, biomagnification or biological amplification, biological magnification. Anything you can call them, it is the increase in the concentration of the toxic substances as we move from one trophic level to the other. Question number 18. Flowers are unisexual in. Flowers are unisexual in onion, pea, cucumber, China rose. Flowers are unisexual in. Flowers are unisexual in onion, pea, cucumber, and China rose. Yes, very good. The correct answer is option number 3, cucumber. So flowers are unisexual in cucumber. Clear? Moving on to question number 19. Question number 19. The wings of a bird and wings of an insect are. Wings of a bird and wings of an insect are. Homologous structure represent convergent evolution. Homologous structure represent divergent evolution. Analogous structure represent convergent evolution. Phylogenetic structure represent divergent evolution. Very good. They are analogous structure and they represent convergent evolution. Option number 3 is the correct answer. Question from evolution. Done. We have 11 questions remaining for this rank booster episode number 2. Question number 20. Easy question. Easy question. Now everybody at the instant would answer me. The imperfect fungi, which are the decomposers of litter and helps in the mineral recycling, is ascomycetes, deuteromycetes, basidiomycetes, and phycomycetes. Yes, I can see the answers floating on the chat box. Very good. The correct answer is deuteromycetes, which is the decomposers of litter or the imperfect fungi. Very good. Question number 21. The chitinous exoskeleton of arthropods is formed by the polymerization of. The chitinous exoskeleton formed by the polymerization of. Yes, N-acetyl glucosamine. N-acetyl glucosamine. Clear? Question number 22 on your screens right now. A gene showing codominance has. A gene showing codominance has both alleles independently expressed in a heterozygote, one allele dominant on the other, alleles tightly linked on the same chromosome, alleles that are recessive to each other. Codominance, both the alleles are going to express, right? So both alleles independently expressed in the heterozygote. Then we can say that that allele has undergone, or that gene is showing codominance. That gene is showing what? Codominance, you can tell. Okay. Is it clear up to question number 22? We have 8 more questions remaining. Is it clear? Question number 23. In angiosperms, microsporogenesis and megasporogenesis occur in the ovule, occur in the anther, form gametes without further division, involve meiosis. Yes, there is no doubt. Microsporogenesis as well as megasporogenesis, they involve meiosis. Right? So option number 4 is the correct answer for question number 23. Question number 24. I know you will easily answer this question. Which of the following is parthenocarpic? Tell me, which of the following given option is parthenocarpic? Parthenocarpic. Absolutely, there is no doubt for that. It is the banana. Banana is a parthenocarpic fruit. Right? Question number 25. In his classics experiment on pea plants, Mendel did not use flower position, seed color, pod length, and seed shape. Absolutely, pod length. Right? Mendel has not used port length as a character of his experiment. He hasn't used port color as a characteristic of his experiment. Question number 26. Which of the following layers is an antral follicle is acellular? Zona pellucida, granulosa, theca interna, and stroma. Which of the following layers is an antral follicle is acellular? Is it 3, Ananya? Just check it once again. I'll give you 10 seconds. Just check it once again. Yes. Okay, so the correct answer is zona pellucida layer. Okay. Zona pellucida layer is an antral follicle. In the antral follicle is acellular layer. Okay. Question number 27. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. Question number 27 right now on your screen. Can we move on to question number 27? Yes, question number 27 on your screen. In human females, meiosis 2 is not completed until birth, puberty, fertilization, uterine implantation. Got the answer for everybody? Meiosis 2 is not completed until we know that a human female ovum, so it gets arrested at the prophase. It gets arrested at the prophase 1 of meiosis 1. Right? Prophase 1 of meiosis 1 at the time of birth. As soon as the sperm head becomes embedded in the nucleus, okay, as soon as the sperm nucleus enters or touches the ovum, not, I'll draw once again, okay. As soon as the sperm head touches the ovum, what happened? This meiosis is completed. Okay, by the time of fertilization, in human females, what happened? It is completed. Done? Clear for everybody? Question number 28. If you suspect a major deficiency of antibodies in a person, to which of the following would you look for confirmatory evidences? Deficiency of antibodies in a person, which of the following would you check for confirmatory evidences? Yes, very good. It is the serum albumin. It is the serum albumin. Okay. It is the serum albumin. Okay. So if a person is suspected of having a major deficiency in the antibodies, to which of the following would you look for confirmatory evidence? It is the serum, sorry, it is not the serum albumin, it is a serum globulin. Okay. Sorry, serum globulin. I think I told like serum albumin. It said serum globulin. Option number 1 is the correct answer. Question number 29. The structure that helps some bacteria to attach to the rock or host tissues are. The structures that help some bacteria to attach to rocks and to host tissues are holdfast, rhizoids, fimbriae, and mesosomes. Yes? Very good. The correct answer is fimbriae. Okay. Fimbriae is the correct answer. With the help of fimbriae, a bacteria or a microbe just attaches to the rocks or the host tissue. Question number 30. A jawless fish which lays eggs in fresh water and whose ammocetus larvae after metamorphosis return to the ocean. Very good. There is no doubt. The correct answer is petromycin. Right? Petromycin is the correct answer for the question. Okay. So we have discussed 30 questions of today's session. Okay. The last question was a jawless fish whose ammocetus larvae after metamorphosis return to the ocean. The answer is petromycin. Guys, just frankly tell me one thing right now. Is today's session, was it useful or not? Was today's session useful or not? Tell me. Everybody, yes. And one more important thing, tomorrow at 7 a.m., do you need the quiz? Do you need the session to be conducted exactly like today's or the same thing? Or do you want it to conduct it in the form of a Menti quiz? Only few members will be there. That's the reason why we are not holding it. Yes? Do you want it in the form of a Menti quiz or do you want it in the form of this simply the slides? Which one is needed? Which one? All of you are keeping quiet. Okay. So bye-bye guys. Bye from today's session. And that's all for today. See you sharp at 10 a.m. with the next chapter, that is a cell cycle and cell division. So bye-bye.